Welcome to Sukri Learnings. In this video, you are about to learn how to create an inventory application using Amazon Honeycode. Maintaining inventory data in Excel. Want to build inventory application? Using Honeycode you can easily build inventory application without writing any code. Log into Honeycode. On the homepage, click on Create Workbook and navigate to User Template and then click on Inventory Management. Inventory management application has created. Click on the tables icon from the left side menu. You can see tables to maintain inventory data. Let us customize inventory application to maintain inventory for IT assets. Click on category table, change the category as per your requirement. Now click on the device table from the table section, change the device details and its manufacturer as per your requirement. Let us add new manufacturer. Navigate to table section and click on manufacturer table. Add new manufacturer called Vodafone. Now come back to device table and choose the Vodafone for Wi-Fi device. Likewise, change the category and description as per your requirement. Now click on Inventory Table from the Tables section. The inventory table has details about asset it device, assigned to, status, and requested on. Now navigate to Builder Applications and click on My Devices. Using this application users can request a device, view own devices. Now navigate to Builder and click on My Devices Manager. Using this application, users can see a summary of the asset details, approve or reject requests, maintain inventory data, and add a new device. Let us test the My Devices application. Navigate to My Devices application and click on View App. In Devices screen, you can request a device and check the availability of the device. In My Device screen, the devices assigned to you have listed here. Now let us test My Devices Manager application. Navigate to Manager application and click on View App. Summary screen will show you a summary of the device details. Inventory screen will have the inventory details. New device will allow adding a new device. Here we have successfully created an inventory application using Amazon Honeycode. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel.